Bitcoin has some trouble brewing. Have you seen this chart right here? Have you seen what we've just recently printed? Did you see the other times that we printed similar things here, here, and here? In today's video, I'm going to discuss this chart and what I think is going to happen and how big of an impact this is going to have, including what do I think is going to happen next for Bitcoin. If you're new here, my name is Steve. I went from welfare to minting millionaires. Hit that subscribe button, and I want to help you have more success in crypto and get closer to your financial freedom. Hit that subscribe button right now. We're going to be jumping into this chart. Right now we're on the weekly chart, and this is the total market cap, meaning all altcoins and all Bitcoin, how much value is in the market, and then we've got our candles in front of us that tell us everything we need to know. Men lie, women lie, the charts don't lie. And we're talking about bullish engulfing candles, and we're talking about bearish engulfing candles. Now, if you're relatively new, what a bearish engulfing candle is it needs to be a red body. And the red body has to be bigger than the previous green body. It's that simple. It can't be a red body bigger than the previous red body. It has to be a red body bigger than the previous green body. That's a bearish engulfing candle. It signals a trend reversal. So when you have prices rising in the market and you see this print, it tells you that prices should start to fall in the market. A bearish engulfing candle. The exact opposite is true for a bullish engulfing candle. You have a green body that's bigger than the previous red body. If the green body is bigger than the previous red body, that's a bullish engulfing candle. It signals that this downturn that we were in, that everyone was tired about, is over. And we're going to start having a trend reversal back to the upside. All right? Pretty simple stuff, right? If you know what to look for in the charts, this game becomes simple. You want financial freedom. You want more money. The tough thing is how to do it, how to get it, what steps to take. The number one thing you can do is learn the charts. Everything is in the charts. Most people pay attention to the news. That'll get you in a lot of trouble. I started trading more than 20 years ago, and I got destroyed because of the news, because I was listening to that. And that may have happened to you as well. The charts are everything. They have all the facts. For example, this bearish engulfing candle that printed in 2021, right? You can see we're in this major upturn. Everybody's super excited. And then boom, we printed this big red candle that happened to be bigger than the previous body of the green candle. And you see what happened next. That's a trend reversal. It tells us, hey, this trend that we've been having, that we've been going up, yeah, it's about to reverse and start going down. That's precisely what happened. And then we had another bullish engulfing candle here. And by the way, this is a shout out to somebody in our community. All right, this chart came from Mirza. Shout out to Mirza. If you guys have chart ideas, very rarely they make it onto our show. But email us, cryptocrewuniversity.com. And by the way, if you go to cryptocrewuniversity.com, you can get free trade alerts for 7 days. Right to your phone, right to your email. Start making some gains, start understanding the charts more. cryptocrewuniversity.com, and get your free trade alerts right here. Now back into this, right? We had this bullish engulfing candle. Gave us back to the upside. Everybody's super excited, but it was short-lived. We had another bearish engulfing candle print in April of this year, right? Big red candle, bigger than the previous green body. That's a bearish engulfing candle. It tells you that this uptrend that we were in, that we were pretty excited about, yeah, that one is over. And by the way, this is really indicative of what's coming in the future, right? Because you want to look for these. And we just printed another one here, which we're going to get to. But I will say this, not every bullish engulfing candle is going to do what you think it's going to do. And not every bearish engulfing candle is going to do what you think it's going to do. There's a lot of fake outs. And we showed you a lot of fake outs before. We had some charts before that were the bearish engulfing candle that is right around here somewhere, where we talked about the bearish engulfing and the bullish engulfing candle on the 6-month chart. You know what I'm talking about. But I just gave away some of our secrets in these other charts. So congrats to you for seeing those secrets. But again, not every bearish engulfing candle is going to act like these other ones. There are some fake outs, and there's going to be several fake outs, but you've got to know what to look for, right? We had this bearish engulfing candle that just printed. back here in August, right? And here we are looking at this and saying, hey, are we going to see another downturn like this, or another downturn like this, or another downturn like this? Because those weren't a few candles. We're a few candles in, right? These were many, many candles in. If we just look at how long it took, I mean, we were at 63 days after that. From this one, we're at about 120 days. So you're looking at 60 days, you're looking at 120 days. And then for this one, about 60, 70 days. It's going to be a while, potentially, right? These downturns were at least 60 days. And here we are 2 weeks in. So right now, it's acting according to the bearish engulfing. It's telling us, hey, this is a reversal. But it's a reversal of what we've seen with this nice little rally here. So again, pay attention to the charts. I wanted to bring this to your attention. My honest thoughts are, it's too early to tell with only the data that's right in front of us. We need to pair this data with some other data to understand, hey, how are these puzzle pieces fitting together? Right now, we've got some downside action potentially coming, and a chart just like this one could be a missing link. We're going to get to that in our next video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. You do not want to miss the next video. Peace and love to the fellow underdogs.